And now I'm here with Brett from Batesville Tool Die. Brett, tell us a little bit about Batesville Tool Die.
Yeah, we're a company in the metal stamping industry. We supply a majority to the automotive industry. We were founded in 1978 as a really small company, and it's grown tremendously over the years. And we're a global company with locations all over the world. We have them in the United States, Mexico, and China.
And how do you intend on using Creatio?
We intend to use it to help streamline a lot of our sales processes. We're going to be using it really, I want to use it for our KPIs. I want to be able to track where our sales growth opportunity is. I want to be able to track our KPIs of our sales account managers so that we can understand where our opportunity lies and understand what customers are presenting the most opportunity and are we responding in a timely manner so that we make sure that we're taking care of their needs.
Fantastic. And can you share a little bit about how are you managing that process before Creatio and how will that change now with Creatio?
Well, we didn't have a CRM prior to using Creatio. So we had a different software that took a little bit longer to get the real-time data out of it. With Creatio, I'm able to very easily manipulate the data that's being pulled into it so that I can really see in real time where my opportunities are. And I don't have to go back and talk to my IT department so that I can have something built for me. I can just manipulate it. I can build my own programs, I can build my own reports, and I can see exactly the data that I need so that we can respond quickly in a timely manner because we don't want to lose out on any opportunities because it took us too long.
Understandable. Well, thanks for being a great customer and welcome to Creatio.
Thank you.